Look it. Are you sitting up all by yourself?
Again, Greg.
Yeah, we just got a pillow behind you just in case you do that.
So we've got a new location.
Hi. Are you playing with your toy?
Ammonia, some methanol, and a new formula, huh? I guess one death in the neighborhood is enough.
You hang tight, I'll get you a warrant for that stuff.
It's not against the law to have those chemicals.
No, it's not. Really brilliant operation Dr. Wellmont has going on here. He provides the house,
What are you doing?
the chemicals, and the recipe. He pays off a couple of cooks like you with Lux cars. That's peanuts to the guys who sling the pills. Pills so unusual, there's not a law against it, but at the end of the day,
Hi.
he and his partner split about $6 million.
It's not $6 million.
This is where you say, I don't know any Dr. Wellmont.
All right, buddy.
Yeah.